Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. Make sure to check out my website also, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar very sideways, slowly making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So definitely a move to the downside. Very, very slow going, which makes me even more and more confident that this is eventually going to end up continuing the uptrend. I am very, very bullish on this still. I think we might just be in a wave two. Most wave twos do go at least to the 38%, but I mean, once in a while in a very strong trend, you get a 23% pullback and then it just takes off for a wave three. And very obvious that this is still a very strong pair. So I would expect a wave two to at least take out the structure of a wave four is right here, which is why I still think that it potentially may end up pushing down again. We have some news coming out today. We got IMS manufacturing, and we also have non-farm payroll coming out tomorrow. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. It'd be nice if today it went down to like the 38%, and then maybe tomorrow at non-farm payroll we had another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend, possibly ending a wave two. That would be the most ideal thing to set up for us, but we'll see how it plays out. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.